Okay, this video will demonstrate how we have a user related to a domain object. In this case, it's going to be a library member can check out a book copy specifically. So first, just overall, we're going to get the member's ID. We're going to have them check out a book, and we're going to validate this before and after from the front end and the back end. So stay tuned. So first we're going to validate from the front end. We're going to log in as a librarian because they can see who has books checked out. So from the home page, click Login, choose Librarian, and log in as Mongoose123 with password 1234. Once you're logged in, click Search Members, search for the username Nessara Loves to Code, and click on her record. Scroll to the bottom of her page, and you can observe that she has no books currently rented. And while we're here, we should write down or remember her ID, which is in the URL. While I film this, the ID is 41. Next, we're going to validate from the back end that she has no books checked out. So we're going to run this SQL query, which keeps track of ledger entries, which is essentially paperwork to keep track of what members have checked out what books and when. And this is an association table for a many-to-many relationship between members and book copies. Now we're going to have Nessara borrow a book. So go to the book search from the home screen, search for Sapiens, which is one of my favorite books. Observe that there are copies available of both hard copy and audiobook, and then type in her ID, which we observed earlier from the URL, and then click the button Rent Hard Copy. Now we're going to validate that this worked from the front end. So we're going to log in again as a librarian. So log in as Mongoose123, password 1234. Click Search Members and search again for Nessara Loves to Code and click on her record. Now when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that she has one book currently rented, and that book is Sapiens. Now we're going to validate the same information from the back end, run the same SQL query again, and now you'll see that member ID 41 has that book copy rented out.